Oh yes, I do. I love you so much. These are the words Canary told Sasha. True love story. Never see man so see. Digo vereda, paka kumpiko. Ifu kampisi, go fukengo.
Yes, hello everyone, it's your girl Canary. I'm back again with you. Today I'm here to share with you a video of Sasha Ferguson and Canary mugume's introduction ceremony. First, I'm going to give credit to their designer. They really dressed to kill. And the next thing, I'm going to give credit to the person who really composed that song to them. It's really amazing. It has made me really come out to do a video whereby I wanted to show full appreciation to that person. Trust me, you did a great job. It's really a nice song that someone would really want to dedicate to someone he or she loves. If it wasn't having some content of Sasha, trust me, it would have been a song you would dedicate to someone you love. But anyway, it's a nice song that Canary or Sasha will dedicate to each other, because if love finds love, trust me, these people found love in each other. Because first it was the engagement, the proposal, then the next thing was the graduation ceremony of Sasha. For those who didn't see it, it really happened and it was really nice. Sasha got graduated, and then the next thing again was the introduction ceremony. Anyway, let's just dive into the video so that we get to enjoy this wonderful and amazing moment with each other.
Oh yes, I do. I love you so much. These are the words Canary told Sasha. True love story. Never see man so see. Digo vereda, paka kumpiko. Ifu kampisi, go fukengo. Niba muyizi. Sagurira buri chape ibera mpaji jewe sigama kowa buri chononya uchifunye ugenda kijja kunzomu akatambala nkaguze ndiwagasangula wedding no more debating. Sasha, you're the best thing in my life. Oh, you're the best thing. Sasha, you're the best thing in my life. Never day you kula banyangu sanyusanga. Wasi wabukumi bwange gwetuli daga. Anibyo bichuka na yesiri chukanga. Bariba bagatika na yekuli baweka. Umusana nechibuyaga ngandi kukumanga. Tuli baweka. Cause it's a special date. The loaders made it. Kabasakanye. No more debating.
Have you really seen how amazing this introduction ceremony was? It was really good, it was really amazing, and thank you for the person who composed the song, the designer who dressed Canary, mugume and Sasha Ferguson. You really did a great work. It's amazing. And to my subscribers, please don't forget to comment down my comment section below so that you let us know how have you found the music in the background, the song that was really composed for Sasha and Canary mugume. How have you found the dress code? How have you found the people who were invited? It's really amazing. I love you guys. One thing, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that whenever I get a chance to upload any new amazing video, you are there to watch. Welcome back from that introduction ceremony. It was really amazing, and oh, let's wait for the wedding day. I love you all.
I love you so much. These are the words Canary told